In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Data Studio in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or a curious beginner, accessing this powerful tool is a straightforward process that will open the door to advanced data visualization and reporting capabilities. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Google homepage. This is where all great internet journeys start. Once you're here, locate the search bar. It's prominently positioned, inviting you to dive into the vastness of the web. In this space, type the phrase Looker Studio and press enter. The search results will populate almost instantly, offering a variety of links and resources related to Looker Studio, Google's Data Studio platform. One of the top search results should be something like Looker Studio Overview. Go ahead and click on this link. By doing so, you'll be directed to a detailed overview page that lays the groundwork for understanding what Looker Studio is and what it has to offer. It's helpful to familiarize yourself with this overview, especially if you're new to Google Data Studio. You'll gain insights into its myriad features and how it can transform raw data into insightful, shareable reports. Once you've acquainted yourself with the overview, it's time to delve deeper. Look for a link that directs you to the Looker Studio dashboard. Click on it and you'll be taken to the heart of the action. This dashboard is where you can begin crafting your own reports, pulling in data from a variety of sources, and tailoring the visuals to suit your specific needs. While you're exploring the dashboard, take some time to check out the range of templates available. These ready-made designs can be customized with your data, helping you to get up and running quickly without needing to start from scratch. Plus, if you're collaborating with a team, the dashboard offers sharing options that let you work together seamlessly, whether you're in the same room or working remotely. Remember, like any tool, Looker Studio might take a bit of time to master. Don't hesitate to experiment with different features and layouts to find what works best for your data. Google also provides a wealth of resources and tutorials if you ever feel stuck or need inspiration on getting the most out of Looker Studio. In just these few simple steps, you've successfully accessed Google Data Studio. Now, you're ready to start exploring its powerful features and transforming your data into impactful, easy to understand reports. Thanks for joining me today, and happy data visualization.